This is the quick all you need to know review of Philips air fryer. Next to my coffee maker, this is the kitchen appliance I use the most. And I'm not ashamed to say I use it for everything. I have tried to air fry everything from a ribeye steak to fry an egg, defrost things, reheat lasagna, and making sweet potato fries. I honestly don't know how I lived without an air fryer before getting this. Philips have a bunch of different sizes for their air fryers. This is the 4.1 liter capacity, and as you can see, I've used it a lot. My favorite part of this is that it combines functionality and style. It is super easy to use and clean. It comes with this inner part where you put your food. This can be rinsed by hand, but I tend to put all the parts in the dishwasher. This bottom part collects the excess fat, since the top part has a colander-like hole structure. When you place your food evenly, you just put it inside the air fryer. The display on the front have all the features you need. This is the power button, and here you can decide what kind of feature you want to use. It has everything from defrost to meat, fish, baking, vegetables, or you can just choose a custom time and custom temperature. Super easy to use. Since I like my food crispy, I tend to use my custom settings with the highest temperature of 200 degrees, and then I just keep an eye on the food until it's the perfect crisp for me. You can at any time pause the frying program like this, and you can then open the compartment. In my opinion, this is a game changer for my kitchen, and it's been a lifesaver when I want to make a super fast dinner. I can highly recommend this, and you can buy it with confidence.